Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we are going to create one more Web 2.0 for our website. As in the last video we created a Weebly website and inserted our link for the best Windows 8 laptop, and in this video we are going to do the same thing for WordPress. I'm just showing you one or two more, and after that I will create all of them myself. This is just to show you how to create a supernatural Web 2.0 profile for your website. Okay, I've already logged into WordPress. Go to my blogs, and as you can see right now there is no blog, so I'm going to just create one more blog. Blog address should be related to or LSI keyword to your content or to your niche. So okay, it is available, so I'm going to just register this bestlaptops2014.wordpress.com. okay, the name of your blog is okay, and create blog. Okay, so the blog is ready. Let's go to my blog and reload this page so we can visit. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is let's see how the default theme is looking. So go to your website address, and this is the default or the default theme for our website. So we are going to change all the themes, and we will create the pages about us, contact us, homepage, and also a post. Okay, so let's go to first change the theme and find one theme. Okay, when you choose your theme, make sure that you choose a good theme, not something like with so many features. Okay, because the theme with so many features is messy. It contains so many CSS, JavaScript, and we are going to just boost our ranking, so we are going to use a simple HTML5 theme. Okay, so I'm going to just click the free one because we are not going to buy a premium theme, and this one is looking fine, so I'm going to just activate this theme. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is go to the settings and change the site title and tagline. So the site title is best laptop for everyone, and the tagline should be find the best laptops for any user in 2014. Time zone, date, time, week, and save changes. Okay, if I go to our website, okay, now the next thing is to go to, if you want to modify some more settings like sorry for that, if you want to customize more settings like the emotions, the default category, and all other things, you can do them. And I'm just going to post and click add new post. So first let me create the pages about us and contact us. So go to all pages, and right now there is no page. Yep, about page. Okay, so I already have the about us about us page, so I'm going to just copy this thing here. Okay, so I'm going to just paste the about us and update this thing. So we have an about us page. The next page we are going to create is a contact us page. So all you need to do is just click add new and right here title, contact us, and add the contact us form. So we require the name, email, website, and the command. Add this form. Okay, let's take a preview if this is working or not. Okay, it is working. So publish, and if I reload our website, no, we can't find the pages. So the next thing is to go to widgets, appearance, sorry. Yep, here, and widgets. And in the sidebar, I'm going to just remove the recent thing. Sorry, the recent, delete, recent commands, delete, archives, delete, category, delete, meta, delete. Okay, now we are going to put on, sorry, where is the pages? Yeah. Okay, so we are going to put the pages in the header 1 column. Let me reload and check how is our website is looking. Okay, so we have no post, a search button, and a pages. Okay, that's it. Now we are going to put a content. So close everything and go to post, add new. And as we already have the content here, so copy the URL, best entry level DSLR camera for starters. After that, the body, and paste it here. Okay, now we are going to do the same thing, bold, italic, underline to our keywords, and also put some images, headings. It should be heading 1 and then heading 2, sorry. Okay, now go to Google and find a laptop image, sorry, camera image. So I'm going to find a DSLR camera and images, and add this image to your, after your first camera, add media, upload files, and camera. Make sure you give alt text to your images whenever you upload an image to your either your web 2.0 or on your website. Okay, so the caption should be, title should be best DSLR camera. The caption should be camera, and the alternative text is beginners. Alignment, center, link to, none, and okay, and a video. So we are going to put insert here a video. So go to YouTube and one more thing, whenever you choose your videos to Web 2.0, make sure that you also choose a video that is under Common Creative License. Okay, cut and add media. So the next thing is we are going to put a backlink. So go to our website, and this post is all about the best DSLR camera. So I'm going to create a hyperlink with this URL, and for the keyword so the main keyword of our this post is best DSLR camera for beginners. So I'm going to just give it DSLR camera for beginners 2014. Okay, so we have a hyperlink. Let's go and preview this post. We have a title, heading 1, paragraph, image, paragraph, heading 2, paragraph, heading 3, paragraph, video, and a hyperlink here at the end. Okay, and I'm also going to give some I want to add a poll, so it will give natural link. Okay, save poll and insert into the post. Let's go and take a preview. Yep, we have a poll here, and yep, everything is fine. The next thing is we are going to publish this post. Publish. Okay, let's go to our Web 2.0 web address and copy the URL. So in case Google doesn't index this post, we are going to ping this post. Control C and WordPress, Control V, Control S. Okay, so we have two backlinks now with the same exact anchor text. Yep, and I will not show you by creating all of these Web 2.0. I will create them now, and in the next video we will start submitting our document to document sharing website. So this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it. And one more thing I want to tell you is make sure that you create or that you give your Web 2.0 natural look, like create the pages which are required. You also we also give the sharing buttons like G+, Facebook, Twitter, in case you want to give social signals to your backlinks, and Yeah, that's it. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, it is misspelled here, so I'm going to just correct this thing. Okay. So copy the, okay, we already copied, and okay, this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.